Everyone, and welcome to this new video dedicated to learning the C language for beginners, in which we are going to talk about the machine language. So suppose we have a program writing in a high-level language such as C, which must have two numbers. Can we say that the computer will be performing this compute operation in the same way as human? Well, no. Your computers do not understand human language because it is incomprehensible to them. In this case, how do computer manage the return the hoped for result brilliantly? To start, let's try to analyze what the word compilation means. Well, your computer understands one and only one language called the binary language. In this language, only two symbols are recognized. These two symbols are 0 and 1. So, when you give instruction to your computer, these instructions from the point of view of the computer are seen as sequence of 0 and 1. How do instructions go from a high-level language to a binary language? This is thanks to a program called a compiler. Indeed, when you run your program writing in a high-level language, the compiler reads your source code line by line and transforms all of your code into a binary program that your computer can read, then execute. In fact, your computer generates an executable file. This process of transforming source code into binary code is called compilation. Finally, let's talk about this famous high-level expression. You should know that the term high-level refers to a programming language that is open to human language. The more high-level a language is, the more its syntax is understandable to the point of view of human being, and therefore is more incomprehensible from the point of view of computer. The C language, for example, is high level compared to assembly language, but is low level compared to Visual Basic language. On this, thank you for all your kind attention. Do not hesitate to leave a comment in case of misunderstanding, and we say to each other at the next video, where we will present the basic tools to be able to program in C language.